Hey, Porthos. What time is it? What time is it, puppy? Is it bath time? Is it bath time? Oh, it's bath time! Bath time! Bath time! It's time for you to take a bath. Woo! Porthos hates baths. Let's see how this goes.
We like salt and pepper, different from each other. When we come together, we make everything better.
So far, he's alright. Just trying to get him wet. Ah! Trying to give your dog a bath is like the biggest hassle ever. Yes, I have the worst water pressure ever. Don't judge. Porto's like, no, I don't want a bath. Stay. Don't jump out. Do not jump out. So I realized that soon Poe will be too big to get a bath in the bathtub. Isn't that awesome, Poto? Aren't you so happy to be getting a bath right now? You look so miserable. He's like, I hate you, Dad. You're so mean to me. Why don't you love me? Do your shake. Do your shake. In the tub. Shake. Shake. Or pee in the tub. That's gross, you nasty. You nasty. You nasty.
Bagels are so good.
We're Dunkin'. That's weird. It is currently like 12 o'clock. If we had come at 3, but it's like 12 o'clock. I like some 1 o'clock. Here, I should like hold it like back here. I should also hold it like by the edge.
Are you still videoing?
Exactly. That's why I was going.
Yeah, feed our addiction. It's better than drugs. Remember our little cafe session. That was weird.
My girlfriend's a freak.
You didn't like Wawa.
Alright, so I have one gripe with Wawa. In the South, we have this whole like customer service thing. At least, generally customer service. People at Wawa are not very nice. But everything is awesome. Not in Virginia.
How are they not nice? Well, Virginia's not.
Oh, it's the
No.
South. Well, it's a weird place in between the North and the South.
Yeah. They don't know what they want to be, but they want to be nice and mean.
So we're there, and we're trying to make like a sub or a hoagie as non-correct
they
people.
were mean to you because you were an idiot. You didn't know how to use Wawa.
My first time walking into a Wawa, of course I didn't know what to do. So I asked like the chick what to do, and she just kind of like didn't help at all.
You asked her to make your sandwich.
Well,
You don't ask people to make sandwiches. That's like rude. Are you your sandwich here? It's like, I want
the
this
computer
bread.
did not say anything.
And-
It just had like sandwiches.
Exactly. It's enticing and warm and it's delicious looking sandwiches. And you just know, ooh, buttons, let's click them.
If it maybe said order here, alright, so Wawa,
There
this
was
is how
signs above it that
it
said order.
was pulling that sign. Yeah, in front of a lady who was standing there. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna order with the lady, like you do everywhere. This is not like you go to like Dunkin' Donuts and you're like, oh, I'm gonna stand in front of this computer where no one is and just start
But it's
ordering.
not just a Wawa thing. All the convenience stores, Quick Pass, Wawa, all of them.
Not here.
They're all computer automated. Kind of what I mean.
Yeah, here you talk to people.
Even the grocery store has it.
You talk to people here.
Okay, it's like that, but it's ShopRite, and you order it like you do.
There's no
Everywhere.
computer at Harris either.
I know, I'm saying it's a store just like Harris Teeter. Only you order it on computer instead of talking to the people. It's easier because I don't know. I just don't like talking to random strangers. I did have a really good conversation with a girl at Harris Teeter yesterday.
Because it's so much better to have a person put like their own love into making your sandwich rather than them just reading off a ticket and giving you some crap. Even though the sandwich wasn't crap, the sandwich was actually pretty good. Once I figure out what to do.
It's always good. Gotta have a wallet.
So Beth says open. It's really funny.
I'm supposed to say water. Water. Open.
Water.
No.
Water.
No. Do you hear me? No. Is that weird?
so weird.
What else do I say different?
I don't know. Open and water are the big ones.
And daughter or neighbor. One of those. I know they used to make fun of me up in Rhode Island when I said it.
Daughter, neighbor. Oh, you say daughter?
Daughter.
Daughter. She says daughter.
No.
Hey, that's what you just said.
I do. That's how we say it in Jersey.
Like door. Tor. That's what you said.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, daughter.
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 I just feel like I'm on like the Hick Sticks of East Bumblefuck.
That's what it's spelled.
Daughter.
Da.
A daughter.
Da.
I gotta talk really slow for it to come out.
Daughter.
Daughter. I'm gonna live like down the south and say like daughter. Or I'm gonna go to the market and just talk really slow. It's really bad.
This is not Georgia.
My aunt lives in Georgia.
Hi, aunt.
Aunt.
It's aunt.
It's aunt.
A-U-N-T. Aunt.
A-U-N-T,
Like
aunt.
da.
Auntie.
D-A-U. Da. A-U-N. A-U.
Then what do you call Auntie Anne's pretzels?
Auntie Anne's?
They're Auntie Anne's.
Auntie Anne's.
Auntie Anne's. Let's ask the lady who works downstairs in Dunkin' Donuts. I'm pretty sure she'll say Auntie Anne's.
What do you say, aunt or aunt? Aunt just
Aunt.
sounds dumb.
You
Because that's like a
sound
bug.
dumb. It
She's
sounds
your
dumb
aunt.
saying aunt. Nobody says aunt except for you. I've only heard one other person say aunt. I think it was actually my friend Achilles who's from Honduras. But that's just because he doesn't really speak English so well, so he pronounces it like weird.
You mean the way it's spelled?
Shut up. Paw? Have your paw? Paw? Good Porthos! Good boy! Good girl. Sit. Have your paw. 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 Your paw. Because you're in the way. Ugh. Sit. Paw. Have your paw. 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 Good boy! Good job!
We are walking through the park to get to the dog park with the puppies. There are the puppies. So Porthos can't go out when it's super hot, so we tend to go to the park super, well not late, like at sunset.
Fuzzy's just being fuzzy. I'm videoing! Woo! Pretty park. Pretty path to the park. There's a party going on. Way out yonder. Porthos! Porthos puppy! He's always eager to catch up. Silly pup. What was it?
It was some chicken someone dropped.
Oh, lovely. Ew! Look at that hand. Look at that hand. Oh, oh. That looks nasty. It's nasty. Ooh, he just gagged Poe. Hey, Poe. How'd Daddy's hands taste? Like chocolate? Maybe I'm the only one who thinks that.
Love it. Porthos! Porthos! So we're at the dog park playing with the puppies. Puppies at the dog park. There are actually some awesome couple over there. He's having fun. I should have filmed people without them knowing about it. That's kind of creepy and weird. Our dogs are running around and doing stuff. I don't know, we're gonna be here for a bit and have the usual puppy stuff. Actually, Porthos and Fuzzy are actually doing pretty good with this whole fetch thing. I mean, they're not doing the best because they just don't fetch, but they could be worse. Get the dog. You try to get the dog to get the ball, and no, just no. Oh, hey, maybe I was recording you earlier.
What?
Look at the blinking red light.
Told you. Is it recording right now?
Yeah. I didn't know I could record with the thing close.
Get him! Get him, Fuzz! Get Daddy! Go get him! Yeah.
Ouch!
There's a buzz. Fuzzy, come here. Fuzzy. We should buy a soccer ball.
Yeah.
Maybe basketball. I like basketball. I used to play when I was little. I was really good. And then I got kicked off the team because I had an asthma attack. Yeah.
I can't play basketball. I can jump pretty high though. I can jump pretty high. That's about it.
I bet you can run too.
Not that bad.
Watch out! Definitely almost got your
Fuzzy just tried to pee on me. Yep, that just happened. So we're leaving the dog park, and Fuzzy just had like a huge moment for being down in North Carolina. She just played with a puppy. Well, kind of, sort of played. It wasn't really playing, it was more like her not eating somebody and tolerating them being there. So it was cool though.
It was awesome. She was so nice, and she even like sniffed the other dog and like laid down and didn't destroy the world. It was good.
That's fun though. So we're gonna try to reward them somehow and pose all dirty, like a dirty puppy should be. It was good.
Margaret! Mark! Tomorrow!
Go home. Some watermelon.
Oh yeah. Oh, don't! No!
Oh,
Don't eat 'em.
Dude, you just ruined my shot, man.
Fuzz, you too. Don't get hurt. Fuzzy, stop. There must be something right there. This smells good. Oh, I accidentally took a picture of Fuzzy's back.